Today we are having a food vlog. So this is in Cherthala itself. This is a small town in Alleppey district of Kerala, and I am in a Leeborn restaurant. This is a specialized restaurant for the cakes and the pizzas and burgers. So this is situated just north to the Devi Temple, Cherthala Karthiyani Devi Temple, and close to the Cherthala municipality. So Cherthala is a small town, as you know. This is a place in Alleppey district in Kerala, and this is very small town which doesn't have much of that kind of restaurants. But fortunate enough, there are something coming up here. So this is Leeborn. So I tried the food over here, and I will show you how the taste is and the different varieties with their menus. So stay tuned. So this is their menu card. So let's go through this menu to see what all items we can get over here. So the first item we can get here is about salads. Salads is in the range of 200 to 180. This is Mediterranean chicken salad, Italian pasta salad, and Greek salad. And crispy bites, you can get the fish finger, chicken finger, and the French fries with 80 rupees. Then comes the pizza. Chicken tikka pizzas cost 290s, and it will go up to veg pizza. You get up to 240 range. Paneer tikka pizza costs 240. The rates are reasonable. When I inquired, they have 8 pieces in total. And if it comes, here we have the beef burger, chicken burger, and barbecue burger. All are in the range of 200 to 150. And sandwich will be ranging from 110 to 150 again. There are omelets, there are pasta, momos. Chicken momos cost 150, and veg momos is 150. So 150 is the range. So we have the pizza here. I have ordered the veg pizza, tikka pizza. This is paneer tikka pizza, right? All right. So here is that. The look is very awesome, and let's taste it and see how it's in the taste as well. So I'm putting the hot chili flakes over here. I like spicy things, so I'm putting all the flakes into this pizza. First I will go for the tomato ketchup. Now I go for the oregano seasoning. So let's try one piece. It's very juicy. Oh my god, it's too soft and very yummy. Very nice. I didn't expect this much quality. It's same comparison to Domino's or any other international brand as well. The paneer is also very soft and fresh. I may not be able to finish all these things because there are total 8 pieces, and I cannot single-handedly finish this. So probably I have to parcel it, take it away to home. But it's so good. I'm literally surprised to see in Cherthala area we are getting this kind of pizzas, burgers, which is unmatched quality. So I request everyone who is in Cherthala to try this. This is a good place. The ambience is also good. The quality, the cheese and the paneer which is used is very fresh. So you should try this. ordered the French fries as well. This is just 80 rupees, but the quantity is good, and it's very crispy as well. Right. So that's the French fries we have. I love potatoes. That's the main reason I ordered this. So I put tomato sauce over here, and let me dip the French fries and have it. It's yummy. It's very crispy and it's tasting very good. Perfect. Blue currant mojito, right? Blue. Thank you. Can you please parcel this also? Take away. Thank you. So the French fries also I cannot complete. So here is the blue currant mojito. It looks so amazing. Right? The presentation is very good, decent. With a very big glass or container. The ice cubes are on the top. There is a lemon piece. And we have the blue currant mojito. And we're gonna try this one. Shake a little bit. The lemon's flavor is in high pitch. Oh, this is good. Now I get the full taste. While drinking, you have to shake it to properly mix this because all the lemon, everything is in separate layer. So you have to mix it properly before you drink. Otherwise, the proper taste will not come out. So I had the bill here. It's costing 410, reasonable. The paneer tikka is 240, French fries is 80, and the blue currant mojito is 90 rupees. Total 410. So that's good. So this is the well-maintained pack. I got it after eating. I was not able to complete it, so I got it well packed to take it away to the home. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was nice. All right. Bye.